Have you ever experienced that sticky, heavy feeling after a keratin treatment? Don't worry. It's a common issue, and it usually happens for one scientific reason: product buildup. When keratin isn't properly sealed or evenly distributed, it can sit on top of the hair cuticle, creating that unwanted sticky texture. To fix this, the key is proper product application and heat sealing. Keratin treatments work by bonding to the hair's cuticle when activated by heat. If too much product is applied or the flat iron isn't set at the optimal temperature, the formula won't bond completely, leaving residue. With Mayraki Keratin Instant Smoother, make sure to apply a thin, even layer and always follow the recommended heat guidelines. This ensures the keratin penetrates deeply, leaving hair smooth and lightweight, not sticky. For best results, avoid applying additional styling products right after treatment. Let the keratin fully set, and you'll enjoy that sleek, salon-grade finish at home. Remember, a little goes a long way, especially with high-quality vegan formulas like Mayraki.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more hair care insights. Check the link in the description to learn more about Mayraki hair products.